I'm a virgin. Many of you know how my story goes, but I don't look at other guys like that with my nose. I'm not better than him. We've all sinned. We're all trash guys. We all deserve the bin. We're all losers, but now we win. How? We had a substitute. Jesus came in. He saved our souls. He filled our holes. We don't score on women anymore. He changed our goals. Honestly, if not for the grace of God, who am I? I would have done 10 times more stuff than this guy. Tonight we'll be praying for different categories of boys and men. We're all on the same bus. We're not smarter than them. We're not better than them. We're free from sexual sin because God saved us. God so loved the world, God wants to save them too. So we're going to pray for them with as much passion, just as one day someone prayed for you. See you tonight, guys. God bless you.